Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. I have decided that paper napkins are so expensive, so I'm going to make some. So let's get it done. Here are a few napkins that I already cut out at a yard of material. I folded the material lengthwise in half and cut it, and then each piece I cut in half again, and I cut that also. Seems to be about the perfect size, you'll notice in a few minutes. I was able to get 24 napkins out of 1 yard of material. It's easy to roll up so we can put in our lunchbox, and the size seems to be perfect for your hand. I'm just going to use black thread on this and zigzag the edges. Nothing fancy, just fast and easy. Turn your napkin on each side and continue zigzagging. I washed and dried them, and now I'm going to roll them up so I can easily put one in the husband's lunch. The rest of them I'm going to fold in quarters so that way we can use at the kitchen table. This is a money-saving tip that we can use to stretch our budget since the husband is getting ready to retiring soon. These turned out perfect. They fit in the silverware holder just perfect. And now that spring's approaching, I was able to make some spring napkins, pick out some material that match my placemats, and aren't they adorable? Well, friends, thank you for viewing the video, and as always, may God bless you.